So not everyone wants a ham radio, and some people want to talk to people who aren't on ham radio. So these are on the FRS, the family radio system, and these are able to be used licensed free, and they have up to a 20-mile range. They're line of sight, so if you're up on a hill and someone's down at the bottom, you're going to have really good distance with these. They're very compact, they're very lightweight. As you can see, they come packaged in a way that they're going to ship well. These are weather alert radios as well, so if you're out hiking, camping, using these to communicate, they're going to pop up and let you know if there's some sort of a weather emergency by the national system. Each one uses 3 AAA batteries, and those batteries are going to last a good long time. These are from Midland, so you know they're going to be quality. Super popular, super rugged FRS radios from Midland.